Canada is a beautiful country that attracts visitors from all over the world. In order to enter Canada for a temporary purpose, one may need a TRV, also known as a temporary resident visa, unless they are a citizen of a visa-exempt country. A Canadian TRV or visitor visa is an official document issued by a Canadian visa office that allows a person to enter Canada as a temporary resident for the purpose of visiting, studying, working, or conducting business. It is important to determine whether a Canada visitor visa is required before starting the application process, as some travelers may just need an electronic travel authorization, an ETA, instead of a TRV. If you are planning to visit Canada, there are two types of visitor visas available: single entry and multiple entry. In this video, we will be explaining the differences between these two and what you need to know before applying. Applicants can apply online, with a paper application, or in person at a visa application center. If you are traveling as a family, each family member, including dependent children, must complete their own application. However, you may submit all of the applications together. Depending on your country of citizenship, you may also be required to provide biometric information such as fingerprints and a photograph. A single entry visa allows foreign nationals to enter Canada for one time only. This means that once you leave Canada, you'll need to apply for another visa if you want to return. Single entry visas are usually issued under unique circumstances. A multiple entry visa, on the other hand, allows holders to enter and leave Canada as often as they want, as long as their visa is valid. These visas can be valid for up to 10 years and allow the holder to travel to Canada for 6 months at a time. If you are considering a multiple entry visa, you don't need to choose which kind to apply for. Applicants are automatically considered for a multiple entry visa. If you have a multiple entry visa and also some other status document, such as a study permit or a work permit, you will automatically be issued a visitor visa, allowing you to enter Canada to receive your permit. If you choose to temporarily leave Canada during the course of your studies or temporary work, you will not need to apply for a new visitor visa to re-enter Canada, as long as both your permit and visa are still valid. Most visitors can stay in Canada for up to 6 months, but the length of stay will be determined by the Immigration Border Services at the port of entry. To qualify for a TRV, an applicant must have a valid travel document, be in good health, have no criminal or immigration-related convictions, have ties to their home country, and enough funds for their stay, all while convincing an immigration officer that you will be leaving Canada at the end of your visit. While the procedures for applying for a Canada visitor visa may seem straightforward, some applicants apply without seeking help from an immigration lawyer, thinking that they can do it themselves. However, the risk of refusal is higher for TRV applications that are not properly prepared, and the standards are very high. The number one reason for denied applications is due to forms not being correctly filled out. Hiring a professional immigration lawyer can increase the chances of approval for TRV applications. Many clients choose to hire immigration professionals to assist with paperwork and navigating government red tape to increase their chances of successfully visiting Canada. With extensive experience, VisaPlace has helped thousands of clients enter Canada with a Canadian visitor visa to visit family and friends or travel through Canada's landscape without the hassle of complicated paperwork. If you are seeking assistance completing your visitor visa application to Canada, VisaPlace is here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about Canadian immigration.